Hello? Where is the concert? What day and what time is the concert today? Oh. Oh yeah, well, you don't have to call me an idiot. I don't know. I know I said it wrong, but... Okay, but really, what time? 7? Really? That was 8. I know it's past my bedtime, but whatever. Bye. Love you.
Okay, your mommy?
Yes, it is. She called me an idiot.
Oh, she is right.
I'm gonna fire you. It's Leprechaun's home! My mom got mad for Michael coming over without me asking, so don't get so close. I don't want my close up yet. Anyways, for having Michael over without asking, so she sent me outside for 2 weeks.
Hi guys, it's the camera guy. Yeah, I'm gonna scare Sir Beaver. He's sleeping on the trampoline. I'm gonna scare him. Not the camera! Close up! We need the close up!